Welcome back to the channel. So today, as we've been talking about, the BMW is sitting warming up and we are going to Simon Reilly Crash Repairs to get the damage fixed on the back of it. So Simon has been doing a little job for me on Claire's car, which I will show you. So basically we're going to do a little swap. So he says, why not throw the drift car in the trailer, bring the drift car down, and so I'm going to bring the drift car down, Simon, leave that with him, get it fixed, because we need that car for the big day that's coming up. So we need to get the drift car fixed, and then while I have the car in the trailer, I'm just going to throw Claire's car up in the trailer and then bring Claire's car back home in the trailer. It's just the easiest way. So killing two birds with one stone today. So extremely busy today, trying to eat on the go, but the car is loaded up. We're going to go to Simon Reilly Crash Repairs and get the back of it fixed up. Probably going to be smashed again, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. That's done a little bit that needs to be done. So get this down to Simon, get Claire's car home, and yeah, show you the new spoiler that we put on Claire's car. Looks actually, well, I haven't seen it actually fitted on the car, but it looked cool before it was on the car. So yeah, we will show you the new spoiler that Claire's fitted to her Seat Leon F4. So we'll show you that once we get the car picked up. We need to get this thing banana delivered. So huge thanks to Simon Reilly Crash Repairs for doing an unbelievable job on Claire's car. The spoiler, just a small little touch, but subtle, but very, very effective. It does really finish off the back of the car. So big thanks to Simon. The M3 is down with Simon now, in good hands, so looking forward to the outcome of the M3 as well. So hopefully when we get that done, we'll be able to show you more of what Simon has done to the M3. But for now, I'll just show you a couple of clips of the spoiler on Claire's car, which looks absolutely unbelievable. Car is left back, washed, cleaned, covers on the seats, mats on the floor, everything. So unbelievable service. So I'll just show you the work that Simon has done to Claire's car. Boom, just like that, the car is back and it's looking all mint again. Top class job, Simon Reilly Crash Repairs. Car is looking mint again and it's ready for the walls again. But as we says, we have a job for this car and it has to be looking in its top condition. So I'm so happy now it's all back together again, and with the quick work from Simon Reilly Crash Repairs that I'll show you now, top class. I'll put a link in the description to Simon's Facebook page, and you get all his contact details there if you need any work done with Simon. But yeah, let me just show you a couple of clips of this. So I have to say, in this car's previous life, it did get a hard time off walls, but it is still looking in really, really good shape. As you can see, it is a little bit twisted in spots, but look, the car withstands some serious belts in the wall, and just that little job there for Simon Reilly, all tidied up and looking mint again. So big thanks to Simon Reilly Crash Repairs. There's his number there if you need it, guys. But the car's all looking mint. So many people have been asking, am I coming back to BDC round 2? Sad answer is I won't be. I have way too much stuff going on, which I'll show you one of the things that I'm doing after this clip. But yeah, so many things going on, and things are starting to open up back here in Ireland, so it's given me more freedom to do stuff that I always do. So that's basically taken all my time up. And a whole lot of growing up stuff as well going on. We got really good news the other day. we won't reveal just yet, but yeah, we got really good news. So yeah, working on a lot of projects here in Ireland, so unfortunately won't be getting back for round 2, but if you keep commenting below, I may be back for round 3, maybe round 4, God only knows. But do let me know if you want to see me back in BDC and smacking this thing off walls again. Old School New School 2021, we're back in action at long last. We are going for the 22nd of August 2021, so that is a Sunday. Old School New School is going to be back. It's going to be better than ever. We're super excited to get back, to see all you back in Longford, St Mel's College in Longford. Can't wait to see all the new builds, the new cars, new stuff we've done. We have so much stuff to announce. We have a lot of exciting things coming. We won't just give it away just yet. Let's have a look back at some of the previous years and some of the unbelievable events we had. I'll show you a couple of clips of that now. 22nd of August, St Mel's College, Longford. Put it in your diaries, tell your friends, share this all around. Entries are now opened this minute on Old School New School, so osns.ie, get onto it now, enter in your car, make sure give us 3 pictures of your car and get your cars entered. Spaces will be limited because we know well this is going to be one of the biggest years ever, so get your cars entered now. So you've seen it, Old School New School on the 22nd of August in Longford. I'm going to be very, very busy doing that. So in terms of videos, we'll see how we go. I know coming up to the show, it'll be very good to have the videos of the setup and what way we work and things like that. So it will be incredibly busy. The entries, there's well over 200 cars entered at the minute and they just keep coming and coming and coming. The level of cars is unbelievable. A lot, I suppose I'll let you in on a little bit, a lot of Japanese cars, really, really cool Japanese cars. I think it's the first year that I've seen the Japanese cars sort of taking over the show. So all you guys with your German cars, stuff like that, make sure to get your cars entered. I will be vetting all the entries. You know, we're putting on a show. We want to put on Ireland's finest cars all in one place. We don't know about spectators yet. We're hoping to get spectators, so we're not really saying nothing about spectators yet. We get the cars in, get the show going, and then hopefully if the spectators come along, then we will lash out the tickets and they will be available on our website. So yeah, look, tell your friends about it. In Longford, St Mel's College, 22nd of August. We've a lot of big plans for it, as I says, and we released them all, and I suppose I keep this all updated on YouTube as well. So I suppose it's Niall Goes Drifting, but it's Niall Goes Car Shows, Niall Goes everything basically at the minute. But yeah, do stay tuned. Make sure to like the Facebook page, osns.irl. Search that on Facebook and Instagram. You'll find us there and you'll see everything that's going on, and we'll try and keep you up to date on all them platforms. So yeah, I suppose we've got the drift car sorted, we've got Claire's car sorted, and now Old School New School. So extremely busy. But I hope you enjoyed this little episode, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you all very soon.